Today's medical-centric topic is, are meal replacement shakes good for weight loss? Meal replacement shakes have become a popular option for people trying to lose weight. They're convenient, portion-controlled, and often marketed as healthy, low-calorie alternatives to regular meals. But do they really help with weight loss, and are they a good long-term solution? Let's break it down. How meal replacement shakes can support weight loss. 1. Portion control and calorie reduction. Meal replacement shakes are designed to provide a set amount of calories, usually between 200 to 400 per serving, making it easier to control intake and create a calorie deficit for weight loss. 2. Convenience. For busy people, shakes offer a quick and easy way to avoid skipping meals or grabbing fast food, which can help maintain consistent eating patterns. 3. Balanced nutrition in some products. Good quality shakes contain a mix of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, helping keep you full and nourished while reducing overall calories. Potential downsides of meal replacement shakes. 1. May not teach healthy habits. While they can help reduce calories, relying too much on shakes may prevent you from learning how to prepare balanced, healthy meals, an essential part of sustainable weight loss. 2. Satiety can vary. Some people find that liquids don't keep them as full or satisfied as whole foods, which could lead to snacking or overeating later. 3. Quality varies. Not all shakes are created equal. Some contain added sugars, artificial ingredients, or low-quality protein sources that may not support your health goals. Tips for using meal replacement shakes effectively. Choose high-protein, high-fiber options to promote fullness and support muscle preservation during weight loss. Avoid shakes with excessive sugars or artificial additives. Use shakes as a temporary tool rather than a long-term replacement for real food. Combine shakes with a healthy diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Bottom line, meal replacement shakes can be a helpful tool for short-term weight loss due to their convenience and calorie control. But they work best when used mindfully, not as a permanent solution. The most sustainable weight loss comes from developing healthy eating habits you can maintain long-term. If you use shakes, try replacing just one meal a day and focus on making your other meals balanced and nutritious.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.